Hi, welcome to Schueys BBQ, where you'll learn the tips and tricks to master your grill. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to make bacon at home. Now, if you do like this video, don't forget to give me the thumbs up, share it with your mates. But the best thing you can do for yourself is hit the subscribe and the bell buttons. That way, you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. So, let's get into it. That's right, today I'm making my own bacon, and once you've learnt how to do this, you'll never buy store bacon ever again. I'm using a product, it's a maple cure from Misty Gully, which you can buy online, okay, and all you have to do is follow the easy instructions on the back of the packet. I've gone to my local butcher and asked him for a piece of pork belly, skinless. It's about 1.5 kilos. And with the bacon cure, all you got to do is for every kilo of meat, you've got to use 40 grams of the cure. So just measure it out, rub that in the skin. All you got to do then is put it in a Ziploc bag and put it in the fridge for 4 to 8 days. I've gone for the 8-day cure. And then all you got to do is take it out of the fridge every 24 hours, flip it over, okay, put it back in the fridge. Once that's done and your curing's done, take it out, wash off the cure under cool water, and then soak it in some cool water for about an hour. Today, I'll be setting up a Weber Kettle to be smoking at 110 degrees Celsius, and I'll be utilising a JG BBQ offset plate to do this. My setup is, I fill the cavity up with briquettes, and from one side I'm going to take 8 of those briquettes out, put them in a chimney starter and light them up. Once they're all ashed over, using an old pair of tongs, I'm going to carefully place them in the same spot. Then I'll put in a foil tray on the offset plate underneath where the food's going to go, and then I'll put the grill grate back on. I'm going to use apple and peach wood to smoke the bacon today, and I'll place 2 chunks over the unlit charcoal, leaving gaps between them, and I'll place the last piece just where the unlit and the lit charcoal meet. Then I'll grab my ambient temp probe, clip that to the grill roughly where the meat's going to go, put the lid on, open all the vents up and let the Weber get up to temp. So the Weber's at temp now, and it's been stable for 30 minutes, so it's time to get that pork belly on and it's time to start smoking our bacon. Now I'm going to place the meat on the opposite side of the cooking grate to where that lit charcoal is. That way the heat and the smoke are going to roll over our meat. I'm going to insert an internal thermometer into it. We're going to take the internal temp of this pork belly to 65 degrees Celsius. So today's cook is going to take about 40-45 minutes. For those of you who love to use my beer timer, you're looking at about a 2 beer cook. If you add in the fact that I cured this for 8 days, I don't know, 80 beer cook. Cheers. So the bacon has reached an internal temp of 65 degrees, so it's time to take it off, put it on a cooling rack, and then just set it aside and let it cool down completely. Okay, the bacon has finally cooled all the way down, so we can now slice it up. I prefer thicker cuts when I've made my own bacon, and now just fry up a couple of pieces and taste what has effectively taken us a week to make. Now just sit back and realise you're a king amongst men. You can make your own bacon. Cheers. Lawnmower guy's back. Yeah. Oh, seriously. Come on. Shut up! Oh, damn it.